I'm Mark Schneider. That's the Mexican. And today is just a lot of fun. So starting off, this thing's not running, it's misfiring. Whatever, we're not dealing with that. Got the other old girl running. That thing's running. That thing's pushed in place. Hot cocoa. Whoa, a little bit more forward. He's out. This motor's out of the Belair. Head's been pulled off. Take a quick look in here. I cleaned it all up, cleaned the gaskets off. There's a large carbon buildup here. I cleaned it all up. Used the air hose, blew it all out. All that. This is a little bit of snow. It's not like we dropped it or something in the snow. That's fine. She's been sitting, yeah, in the Belair. She's been sitting outside in the Belair, so she's got a little snow on her, but got this all clean. She turns over nice, which is good. Oh, there's a little bit of oil spilling up on there, which is good. So, I think what I'll do, go over here, got the new gaskets and such off the other motor. That one there, that one there, and then put the other intake on. All right, so I tried putting the intake on the old heads. I learned the hard way. 60s style intake does not go on a 90s style head. So 90s style head on the intake goes straight up and down for the center. The ends match. They're all good, but the middle here, where on the 60s it goes on a slant like everything else, on the 90s here, you can see right here, is straight up and down. So can't use those. So then you go with the resort. So the original 305 blocks out of here to in here. Here's all the internals to that 305 block. She was cooked. Like, she was gummed up, she was nasty, there's just wear on everything. Yeah, there are lines and scratches, deep grooving in all of this. So she was a pretty worn out engine. This thing has got worn out where some of the lobes are just completely rounded off. So there was a reason that motor was never going to run right and never last. Those are the engine mounts. It's the oil and all that. So with all this, This 350 or whatever should run, was running, whatever. I took off the intake so far, tried swapping the intake, that didn't work, so I got to take it back off. And where they put the 350 heads, which are sitting back here. So where they have to stick the 305 heads, well, the heads off the 305 and put them on the 350 here. And then throw the 305 intake on it. Obviously, like, there's 350, the small block Chevy parts, they just are all swept. The only thing that's they suck is that they have to get a special flywheel here for it. But I went and bought all brand new gaskets. The intake gaskets are there. They can be reused quickly because they were just put on. Brand new head gaskets and oil pan gasket, because we're just gonna get in there anyways, check her all out, inspect it all, because this motor, I've already pulled off the intake. She looks clean in there. I can turn her over good enough here, but because this is going back into a truck and we have it out already, I might as well, oil, I might as well tear it down to a base block. I'm not doing a bottom end rebuild, I'm not doing any rebuild, I'm just swapping parts. But might as well take off the oil pan, check it, make sure it's good internally. These were you can see the carbon buildup. This motor has a little bit of carbon buildup, but that's nothing, that's easy. That's just from it being whatever, stored weird. But I'm gonna pull off the oil pan, I'm gonna pull off the heads, where they see how this motor looks from a torn down standard. See how it looks. If she looks good, we're gonna use her. If she looks bad, well, then we'll go to plan B. But got the fire going. Let's see how this 350 looks. So, oil pan's off. She doesn't look that bad. A little bit of carbon, there was a little bit of carbon that fell off from the top from the intake, but it doesn't look like, she's got a little bit of buildup, but not a lot. So she'll live. She'll be fine to slap the oil pan back on. No big chunks in her. Just chunks, little chunks of carbon. So I'll clean all that out, clean it all out, clean all this out, give her a good flush. She looks good. Put her back on the stand here and rotate her a bit. Oil pan's back on. Hello. Do the top end tomorrow. Get her done. This is the end of this video. Brand new. I like these things. I'm keeping these. These are going in the toolbox. Keeps. Yeah, that's not tight.
No, I'm trying to see if the pulley's bent or not. Doesn't look that. Looks like just this is bent. Put a new pulley on it. We're fine.
Yeah. Well, it's not like we have a bunch sitting right there.
No, I got 2 other motors with them on it too, so we're good.
Oh yeah, I think we're good for pulleys.
Yeah. You haven't even seen my stash.
I don't know. Actually, I think the water pump might be bent.
Let's see.
I don't think it's the pulley. I think it's the.
No, the shaft is straight.
Oh,
it doesn't
okay.
warble up or down.
We'll see.
Oh, here, there's an easy. Okay.
I like how I pulled the oil pan to check underneath, check internals and stuff. They're all good, but I'm not pulling off the timing cover.
No, because as soon as you pull off this water pump, there's no putting it back on without a whole bunch of RTV and gaskets and everything.
Oh yeah, that stuff is just, we're ignoring it.
Look at that. Damn near straight.
Oh yeah, now the water pump shaft straight. Might just be the pulley.
Oh yeah, ovaled. See right here.
Yeah. Yeah, we had tons of those, that's fine.
And even if this is bent, it's not that big of a deal.
Should clean up this a little bit, but that's fine. That'll be the next video, and tomorrow, so we're gonna call it a night here. I'm Marcus Schneider. That's the Mexican. The crazy motherfucker. And we're getting this done. We're calling it a night.